Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, we will presentation about intraoperative assessment emergency situation in anesthesia. Let me introduce my group member. First, me Ilham Maulana Pratama as the moderator, and then speaker one Isma Raihan, and then speaker two Jihan Saputra, speaker three Ilham, and then speaker four Ibnu Ashifa. Let's start. This section will be presentation by speaker one Isma Raihan.
First definition. The intraoperative phase extends from the time the client is admitted to the operation room to the time of anesthesia administration, performance of the surgical procedure, and until the client is transported to the recovery room or post-anesthesia care unit or PACU. Case example. Intraoperative assessment is performed with an instrument such as the sample objective to assessment of technical skills tool shown in the box. It might be used along with a design procedure or to complement the perioperative plan. Emergency is dangerous or serious situation such as an incident that happens suddenly or unexpectedly and needs immediate action. Anesthesia is the use of medication to prevent pain during surgery and other procedures. These medications are called anesthetics. They may be given by injection, inhalation, topical lotion, spray, eye drops, or skin patch. They cause you to have a loss of feeling of awareness. Anesthesia emergencies deal with common complications or unforeseen emergencies during perioperative period. Anesthesia emergencies may develop rapidly into life-threatening condition that cannot be managed effectively by an individual and require a team response to reduce the change of the human factors interacting with performance. Next type of anesthesia. First, general anesthesia, and second, IV or monitored sedation, 3, regional anesthesia, and 4, local anesthesia. What the risk of anesthesia? Anesthesia is generally safe, but there can be risks, especially with general anesthesia, including first, heart rhythm or breathing problems, an allergic reaction to the anesthesia. Next, delirium after general anesthesia. Delirium makes people confused. They may be unclear about what is happening to them. Some people over the age of 60 have delirium for several days after surgery. It can also happen to children when they first wake up from anesthesia. And the last, awareness when some is under general anesthesia. This usually means that the person heard sounds, but sometimes they can feel pain. This is rare. Okay, next presentation will be presented by Jihan Saputra.
How do anesthesia work? Until recently, we know very little about how anesthetic works. Scientists are now able to study how the drug affect specific molecules within cells. Most researchers agree that the drug's target protein is the membrane around nerve cells. Because inhaled anesthetic have different effect than intravenous ones, scientists suspect that the two types of drugs target different set of protein. Emergency situation in anesthesia. Generally, some emergency situations in anesthesia are mentioned below. 1. Airway emergency. 2. Cardiovascular emergency. 3. Equipment problem. 4. Metabolic and endocrine. 5. Neurosurgical and neurologic emergency. 6. Obstetric emergency. 7. Pediatric emergencies. 8. Respiratory emergency. Regional anesthesia. 113 thoracic emergency. 213 practical procedures. 413 miscellaneous problems. 3. Anesthesia emergencies and incidents. Human errors. Miscalculation of the drug dose. Getting one decimal wrong can mean the times of overdose that might induce severe toxic effect. Mislabeling of the string, misfilling to a wrong favorite, etc. might constitute severe hazard. Equipment failure or misuse devices, most notably delivery of hyponic mixture to the patient. Exercise precaution to avoid human indicate medical mishaps. Bradycardia. As a general rule, for heart rates, metformin in dogs and metformin in adult horse cause deep anesthesia, inhaler anesthetic overdose, increased Galton, brachycephalic breath, opioid medication, etc. Parasympathetic stimulation, distant bladder, manipulation of the viscera, ocula cardia, plaque, etc. Treatment in the TV cause and address it. Dog and cat atropine, glycophrolate, or if no respond to above treatment, then consider giving intravenous 5 mcg per kilogram or epinephrine 2 kilogram IV bolus or CRI at a lower dose to effect. Next presentation will be presented by Ilham Maulana.
Okay, tachycardia. Cause. First, like anesthesia. Second, drug-induced or introgen, atropine, glycopyrrolate, then hypotensia, reflex tachycardia, and then hypercapnia induced sympathetic trip. Treatment. First, define anesthesia if to like. Second, usually known if drug-induced sinus tachycardia. The third, treat hypotension with fluid or inotropin again. Then treat respiratory doses. And then for severe sinus tachycardia, consider beta adrenergic blockade, propranolol 0.02 until 0.06 milligram kilogram or as smaller 0.25 until 0.5 milligram slow intravena. Then hypotension cause anesthesia overdose, and then hypovolemic due to intraoperative bleeding or perioperative fluid deficit. Treatment: lighting anesthesia dip, fluid therapy, profit injectable. Example: avoid benzodiazepines, ketamine, propofol, systemic local anesthesia. To reduce volatile anesthesia requirement, positive inotrop dopamine, dobutamine, and ephedrine. Then cardiac arrest. Deficiency of oxygen is the ultimate cause of all cardiac arrest. And then respiratory failure, and then acid base disturbance, and then electrolyte imbalance, and then autonomic imbalance, and then hypothermia, and then air embolism, and then toxicity, and then anaphylactic reaction, and then drug overdose, and then cardiac disease arrhythmia. Oke, next presentasi by Ibnu Ashifa.
Okay, BCLS and ACLS. Basic cardiac life support, BCLS, aim is to deliver oxygen to the lungs by arterial ventilation, and then transport the oxygen to body tissues by external cardiac compression. And two, advanced cardiac life support, ICLS, restoring spontaneous breathing and circulation and sustaining them. The fourth, example anesthesia emergencies. Example anesthesia emergencies, envision teamwork and errors in decision making can rapidly exacerbate the situation and possibly lead to fatal errors. All personnel on the care team should be briefed on the critical events and the actions during an emergency. Emergency readiness that healthcare providers, especially nurse anesthetic, must have the knowledge, skills, and equipment necessary to resolve the problem. The five, general confident to help deal with any anesthesia emergency. The one, communication. Declare problem early, use objective and non-judgmental comments, communicate effectively, encourage another to contribute, reprise the situation regularly, and update the rest of the team with new information. If unsure, send for help. The second, invoke a team approach. Have one clearly identified leader who should make effective use of mixture of skills and resource available. Give responsibility for tasks to other members of the team. Adopt the role of team players. A good team players is adept, assumes complete responsibility, and feels comfortable to the focused feedback information. Okay, thank you for attention in listening to our presentation. I leave it to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, that's all presentation. That all our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Uh,
See you.
Ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.